Yo, your bike is leaking some rice with some halal meats. Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another vloggy vlog, as we are here in Brooklyn, day before Christmas, getting some gas, about to go to Manhattan. Ready? Ready? We're going that way, I was saying. Yeah. And me and my buddy over here, we're going to Manhattan. We're recording. It's chilly. My gloves won't stay put. Stupid Velcro. That's a boss move right there, brother. Sick Bronco. And we're going to Manhattan. I have to be Santa Claus. That's me. That's me today, boy. We're good. Oh, I didn't zip up my jacket, so it'll be a little bit chilly. But let's get used to it. Let's get into it. Get into it, yeah. We're chilling behind this big truck and this weird taxi. Everybody's confused. Nobody knows where they're going. It's a situation. Look at this shit. What's even happening here, bro? There we go. Cruising. Nice and vertical because the tires are cold. That's the way to go. Beautiful. Look at all this. Waiting for Jan the Don to catch up a little bit. Oh no, I said his name. There we go. What's happening here? This is hilarious. The indecisiveness is killing me, but I'm also waiting for a bud, so we'll take it easy. We'll relax over here. He shall reappear at some point. This here. Woo, power moves. Almost crashed into my boy. Come on. It's all right. See, it's a little fresh, right? Beautiful, beautiful day. I didn't even say anything, did I? I haven't been talking. Yeah. Vloggy vlog. It's like, the bike says 39 degrees. You know, so the phone says it's something like 37. The bike says 39. It's probably about 38. But we're chilling, you know. I didn't realize there'd be so much traffic here on this fine, kind Manhattan morning. Oh boy. Yeah, we're not ready for any sort of Manhattan dipping. Oh boy. I don't even know where he is. Sir. Where are you, bro? Okay, alright. Let me come down. We did not discuss the route, so he actually doesn't know where I am at all. Alright, I'll go straight. It's fine. Whatever. Yeah, it's okay. It happens. If we discuss the route, we'd know. Plus, it's like, that's the thing about lane splitting as a group in Manhattan, for example. Sometimes the gaps close up really quick behind you, so you can't even fault the boy. No talking, just moaning. Only the moaning. Ugh. Yo, your bike is leaking some rice with some halal meats. Fucking break that piece of shit off. I bet my boy's chilly, cause right. Yo, what's up with this traffic, man? The fuck? We're gonna go on the right, get around it. I thought it was gonna be like empty in New York City, and turned out to be a thick boy. It's all good. What's happening here? Big van. Don't like being behind a big van. Never a fan of a big van. Holy smokes. We're fucked. Can't be on this side. There we go. Never a fan of a big van. One day I found out that Matt Damien had a penthouse up in that building there. What do you think about that? I mean, I bet he doesn't have it there anymore, so don't go there and wait for him. But yeah, this is 3rd Avenue. This is so nice. This is where magic happens. We're back, maybe? I don't know what that was about. Yeah. We're back to recording. Camera shut off for a second, just for fun, I guess. Cruising through sleepy Manhattan. You'll stop right here. You're gonna wait by the bike, so. There's all this fucking glass. Damn. Go. My camera kept shutting off for some reason. I don't know why.